because I was manifesting this for a long time. It started when I saw Maria got crowned a year ago, and they asked something very controversial in the Philippines. Oh, what about trans women competing in a pageant? And then Sir Arnold really mentioned that, oh, it's a pageant, but everyone is accepted. Trans women are accepted. Documents know anything as long as you embody womanhood, you can compete and you win. And I said, oh my God, that's my perfect platform that I don't need to hide myself. I don't need to, fit in or to ask a seat at the table because I can be part of it authentically. When I was competing in a certain pageant last year until, cross over to this year, my heart was already, I'll be real, I was already defeated. When I was in that pageant, and Maria knows it because she's my safety net, my safety blanket. Every time that I know the organization really don't want me. And I keep telling Maria, sabi ko, Maria, what do you do? I don't think I belong here. I really wanted to end this. And you know what she said to me? If you will quit, what does it mean? What are you promoting for? What are you advocating for? Now what about the people who will look up to you? You don't know them, but maybe they are really believing in you and they see you as their role model. So I keep fighting. I keep fighting up until the last